There are two types of letters, informal letter and formal letter. Today we are going to see the formal letter and particularly the letter to the editor. Informal letters, these letters are included business letters, official letters, applications, letter to the editor of newspapers, which is called as editorial letter, letters of complaints, letters of inquiry, letters of order. Today we are going to discuss letter to the editor. Hello friends, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to learn how to write an editorial letter. Purpose of this letter: a letter to the editor. A letter to the editor may be written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. It is written to highlight a social problem, a social issue. It can also be written in order to get it published in the said medium. Means to express one's opinion on a wide range of issues. To express and share one's observations and views in a public forum. Language of the letter. What kind of language is essential here? While writing letter to the editor, formal language must be used. No slang, no collocations, no abbreviations, nothing. Repetition of ideas must be avoided. Subparagraphs should be used in an organized way. Personal outlook must be included, but biased language should be avoided. Word limit must be kept in mind. Format of the letter. Here on the top you find sender's address, then date, address of the addressee, dear sir or madam, then subject of the letter, then body of the letter, 3 to 4 paragraphs. Then statement of the problem, introductory statement, then causes of the problem, then outcome of the problem, suggestions or remedies, conclusion, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, then sender's name. Sample formal letter. Question. You are Mihika Deshpande, a resident of Dastur Nagar, Amravati. Your colony is facing the severe problem of supply of inadequate and poor quality of tap water. You decide to express your views and make the authorities aware of the situation by writing a letter to the editor of the Amravati Times. Amravati. Write your letter in about 150 words. Letter to the editor. Dastur Nagar, Amravati, 6th August 2020. The editor, the Amravati Times, Amravati. Dear Sir, subject: inadequate and bad quality of water supply. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the civic authorities to the bad quality and inadequate supply of tap water in our locality. It is unfortunate that the local civic authorities do not take care to provide the citizens with even the basic amenities such as proper and adequate water supply. In our locality, water is supplied only for 3 hours in the morning. For the rest of the day, the taps remain dry. Also, the quality of supplied water is poor. It is unhygienic and contaminated. There have been cases of waterborne diseases like diarrhea and dysentery. It is highly expected that these diseases may break out in form of epidemic if the problem is not properly addressed. It is expected that instead of ignoring the issue, the authorities concerned will take immediate steps to ensure supply of adequate and good quality of water in our locality so that we citizens are able to live a disease free and stress free life. Yours faithfully, Mihika Deshpande. Sample question number 2. Kimaya witnessed an accident near the school gate where a child fell down and was hurt very badly. Many people were standing around but did not know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. Kimaya felt the necessity to enable the students to render the first aid to the victim. She decides to write a letter to the editor of a local daily about the importance of knowing first aid. Sample formal letter L45 Avni Complex, Rajapet, Amravati, August 6, 2020. The editor, Local Daily Amravati. Dear Sir, subject importance of knowing first aid. May I have the honor to draw the attention of the authorities and the people through the esteem column of your newspaper about the importance of knowing the first aid. Today, a child met an accident near the school gate. Many people were standing around but didn't know what to do. Finally, the child was carried to the hospital by a taxi driver. The student should be made aware of primary steps of first aid at school. In the school curriculum, it should be included. Even competitions should be held to make them efficient at first. At the same time, they should have their own mini first aid box at their home. The parents should encourage their children for the purpose. They should know what to do in such situations before the victim is carried to the hospital. At times, the first aid can be life saving. The government and the concerned educational authorities should initiate a step towards this. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Kimaya. Additional questions on letter to the editor for practice. Question 1. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views on the importance of saving water. As you have seen people wasting water carelessly on one hand, and on the other hand people fight for a single drop of water and farmers die because of drought. Question number 2. Recently you read a report on increasing stress level among the younger generation and you are very disturbed with the scenario. You decide to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern and also about some measures which can be adopted by the youth to overcome stress. Question number 3. Recently you came across a newspaper article depicting diversity of India as its greatest identity. After reading the article, you are inspired enough to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views on the importance of maintaining unity and integrity for the growth of the nation. Question number 4. Recently you got an opportunity to meet some courageous girls who despite serious opposition from their families continue their education. This has made you feel both proud and concerned about these girls, and you decide to write a letter for the editor of a newspaper emphasizing upon the need to promote girl child education. Question number 5. A survey reveals that most of our health related problems are due to our over fascination with modern gadgets like smartphones, laptops, television, and video games. The findings of the survey compel you to share your views on the issue and you decide to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. Question number 6. There is a Divyang, physically handicapped child in your class, and every day you watch him very closely. You appreciate his efforts and enthusiasm, but you find some of your classmates making fun of him regularly, and you try to make them realize their insensitivity, but they don't change their ways and means. This has provoked you to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views on the need to be respectful to every individual, including the specially abled ones. Question number 7. You observe that most of your classmates bring fast food items as part of their school tiffin, and even some of them regularly suffer from one disease or other. But they keep on bringing fast food. You wish to make parents of such children aware of the harms of the fast food, and so you decide to write a letter to the editor of a news daily. Question number 8. Your friend studies in a school where there is no playground and also no facility for sports and games. He has to stay in his classroom throughout the day. You feel about your friend and decide to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper emphasizing upon the need to have playgrounds and other sports facilities in schools as they help in the all round development of an individual.